I love a good home hack, you guys know this, but I especially love a home hack that costs me under $2 to execute. In today's video, I'm sharing some Dollar Tree home hacks that look like anything but $1. They are going to keep you more organized, they're going to make your house look more luxurious, and I think you're really gonna love today's video. Before we get into it though, please consider smashing that subscribe button because I have new videos just like this one every Monday and Friday, and I'd love to have you as a member of the community. But let's get into today's video. Number one is to head to the beauty section and pick up these shower caps. These are going to enhance your travel because you're going to use them as shoe covers. You don't need some type of like fancy shoe container. You don't need to clean your shoes after the beach. You just put the shower caps on them and they're going to keep them nice and protected. If you want another layer of protection, you can put them in a Ziploc bag, but this is more than sufficient and you get 8 in the set. The next hack is for those of us who hate the boxes trash bags come in, but you don't want to spend $20 on the acrylic trash bag organizer. This is for you're going to get the stackable wine racks from Dollar Tree. You're going to use the base for those trash bags. They will dispel the same way they would in those containers, and then you can use the top to fit scrub daddies, other sponges. I use mine for soap, and this is a great use of vertical space underneath your cabinet. I also like to use these pop-up crates because for cleaning items, they sequester them and they make them really easy to carry around the home if you like to use those cleaning items all throughout the home, but it also collapses down when you run out of product and you want it to look nice and sleek and clean. Next, I want you to make your way over to the baby bath section and get this bath toy organizer. I want you to use it in the laundry room. Suction cup it to your washing machine and place your dryer balls, your stain sticks, all of those lighter weight items on top of the washing machine. This is going to help you if you don't have any storage in your laundry room, or maybe you don't have a laundry room. I've had this up for 7 days and it has not fallen down yet, and this is also going to be great in your bathroom, not just for bath toys but also for normal bath products. Now this is the hack that I got from Shower Talk. I'll tag the creator down below, but this is for creating a nice dusting powder. You're going to get some cornstarch based baby powder. I already had it so I didn't buy any, and this glass container from Dollar Tree. Then you're going to spray your favorite perfume or body oil on just a cotton round, and you're going to put it in with that baby powder and let it sit for a few hours, a few days, so that it can absorb all of that scent. And definitely shake the container a few times to make sure that that perfume is getting very evenly distributed throughout the container. And after it's been sitting for a few hours, you're going to take out that cotton round that I mentioned before, and you're going to grab these facial cleansing pads from Dollar Tree, and you're actually going to use that as your dusting mitt. Now you have a custom dusting powder and a really easy way to put it on without making a ton of mess. This is a Shower Talk and like hygiene secret weapon. Next, we have this acrylic organizer. You're going to find this in the floral section of Dollar Tree, and of course you can use it for flowers, but I like to use it for my makeup brushes. It keeps them all standing upright, but you can also use this to organize your glasses. I can fit 3 pairs of glasses on this and it keeps them really nice and beautifully organized. I think this is a really great hack if you don't want to splurge on a sunglass or glasses organizer. Finally, you can use this as a soap holder. You can use this to dip your sponge in, or you can omit the soap and simply put the sponge on top of the container so that it drains into the container instead of staining your countertop with soap scum. And the next hack is for the soap saver. This is just really great for cleaning makeup brushes because it gives you that abrasion that you need, and it is not going to break down over time with the chemicals, and it stays really nice and clean because of what it's made out of. Also would be great as a tool to use in your laundry room, so just get another one and use it to really massage in those stain sticks to get all of that debris out of your clothes without it getting sucked into whatever toothbrush or item that you're otherwise using to scrub those stains. Next up are these green hook organizers. These are great for expanding your storage in the shower. You can just attach them to your shower head and use it to hold your shower cap, your loofah, your foot shaver, things like that. I have a pack of 2, so another great way to use this hook is to expand your hanger. So use that vertical space and use a hanger for more than one shirt. You can also use this to store an entire outfit if you want to keep all of your clothes outfit organized. This helps a lot of people who have capsule wardrobes, and it truly makes excellent use of vertical space. The last use for this hook is for your jewelry. Maybe you're getting in the pool, maybe you're at the beach, and you want to keep all of your jewelry in the same place without just throwing it in the bottom of your bag. This is a great way to keep it sequestered. You can just attach it to your keys. Hook is also going to be great if you like to carry a purse and you travel with it. You can bring this hook and use this to attach your purse to your bag so that your purse never ends up on the floor, and you can always keep your eye on it when you're out to eat. Dollar Tree also has these little dropper bottles. I think they are really perfect for decanting segmenting large items into smaller items. You do not need to buy travel sizes of most things. You can just get these cute little bottles and you can label them with the label maker, but most of the time you can very easily discern what they are. Not really a hack, just like a great way to save money using products from Dollar Tree. Another great travel hack is to get this travel container. It has 4 different areas and it does have caps on the end so it's not going to leak. Put all of the items you regularly need in your car. Benadryl, hand sanitizer, then print out labels for them and just leave this in your car console. This is going to make sure you have all the things you need in the car without having to have a full travel bag or all of those little minis that like get absolutely everywhere. Next, I want to talk cord management. So obviously you can use the cord management clips for whatever, but I really like to use them for faux florals because I don't like trimming my faux florals because I never know how I want to use them again. So this is great for bending those branches without it, almost breaking the vase or causing it to be really difficult to move the flowers out. This is also going to be helpful in making that grid to keep your faux florals together if that's something you struggle with and maybe you don't want to use tape. I also really like the cord management containers or the cord management items on the back of artwork because I like to layer artwork in front of my cord, so I just attach the cord management base to the back of the frame and then I run the cords along the back, giving a really nice sleek and seamless look. Next, I want you to get these soap bags. So you get these from the beauty section or the bath section and just fill them with your favorite Epsom salt and like your favorite essential oil. And I like to just hang this in my shower. It lets me get all of the benefits of the smell of the menthol and the essential oil without actually having to get in the bath. I think it gives me the bath vibe without having to get in the bath because the bath is now reserved for the baby. And the last hack is a cutesy one for date night. Get some tea lights and a tea light candle holder. Then you're going to light that tea light, put it in the holder, and then grab your favorite chocolate, like a Hershey's chocolate bar, and put a little bit of it on top. You're going to get a nice little fondue pot on a budget. No, you can't melt a lot of chocolate, but if you want like a nice chocolate covered strawberry or something like that, this is going to give you that nice romantic vibe on a budget. And of course, you can get multiples of these if you want to. Okay, you guys, that's it for today's video. Those are some Dollar Tree home hacks. Which one was your favorite? Do you have any other Dollar Tree home hacks that you think are going to absolutely blow our minds? Be sure to let us know about them down in the comments. If you liked today's video, please consider smashing that subscribe button and check out my Dollar Tree playlist because I have tons of Dollar Tree videos I think you're really gonna love. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, have a beautiful day.